Hey guys, so Nubia is among the brands which focus only on game-centric smartphones, and the next gaming smartphone from the company is the Red Magic 7. According to reports, this new gaming beast will go official in China next month, and ahead of the official launch, the company has started teasing the device. The teaser image reveals that the smartphone will come with a display with 165Hz refresh rate. It also reveals that the phone will feature inbuilt shoulder triggers for gaming as well as an RGB fan for cooling that can ramp up to 20,000 RPM during intense gaming sessions. Not only that, the company is also aiming to turn Red Magic into a professional gaming brand by releasing its own gaming monitor, a router, and a VR headset for its metaverse. Not only the Red Magic 7 is gonna launch next month, but its rivals the Black Shark 5 and 5 Pro are also launching in February. The company has shared a teaser post that only reveals that the Black Shark 5 Pro will be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. The vanilla Black Shark 5 will get a Samsung E4 Super AMOLED display with just Full HD Plus resolution, 720Hz touch sampling rate and 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 888 Plus SoC, which is still a very powerful SoC. The battery on the Black Shark 5 will be a 4600 mAh cell with 120W fast charging support. On the other hand, the Black Shark 5 Pro will come with a bigger 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. The heart of the device will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, and all of this will be powered by a larger 5000 mAh battery with 120W rapid charging. The Black Shark 5 Pro will compete against the likes of Red Magic 7, Redmi K50 Gaming Edition and Lenovo Legion Y90. According to Digital Chat Station, all these 4 gaming smartphones will launch in China next month. He further reveals that after the Chinese Spring Festival, which will be held from February 1 to February 12, we might see many gaming phones compete against each other. So it will be interesting to see which gaming beast outperforms the others. So yeah guys, let me know your thought and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.